Hi, my name is Elena from NIL English, and today we're going to talk about the expression, look on the bright side. When somebody uses look on the bright side, it is there to help them feel better about themselves. When somebody is sad or feels they did something that makes them feel sad, saying look on the bright side is something that will make them feel better. The first example I have is about my mother. She is a piano teacher, and she was having a new student that day. So we went over to the music store and we bought all new books for this student. And when we came home, my mom realized that she forgot one of the books. And I told her, look on the bright side. You have enough books to get you through today with this student, and we can get the other book tomorrow. So look on the bright side helps the other person relax and feel good about themselves that they didn't fail. Another example of look on the bright side happened when I was with my friend having coffee. She was telling me that she was at work and she had a presentation she needed to do. So she printed off all of the materials, was very prepared for the presentation. But when she got up to speak in front of everybody, she forgot what she was going to say. She stumbled through the presentation and she felt like crying. I told her, look on the bright side. You stood up in front of the people, they all had the material to see, and that you did a great job. So again, look on the bright side is something you can use when people are feeling sad. The third example of look on the bright side happened when I was with my husband and we were going to a park. So we pulled into the park with our dog and it started to rain. And I got so sad, almost angry. I really wanted to go for that walk, and all of a sudden, all this rain. My husband looked at me and he said, look on the bright side. We have umbrellas. We can walk in the rain with our umbrellas. So that's what we did. We took the umbrellas out and we walked down the path and we really enjoyed the adventure even though it was raining. So looking on the bright side is a great way to comfort somebody and to talk to them to make them feel better. Now, can you use a sentence using this expression, look on the bright side? Can you write a sentence using this expression below in the comments? I would love to read them. Thank you so much, and I will look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye.